going to a foreign country, being there for 5 years, it takes a lot of hard work and sacrifice. So I was not ready to let that go because of what happened to me. I wanted to give this exam well prepared, and that's what I did. Witnessing my dad's battle with cancer and the pain he endured is what instilled in me the passion to become a good doctor. Hi, I'm Dr. Shweta Mishal. I gave the FMG January 2024 examination and I scored 212 and I passed in my very first attempt. I was able to do this despite all the hurdles I faced, especially during the crucial time of my preparation. I always wanted a source that I could fully rely and trust upon, and that's how Marrow happened. I've been a Plan C user ever since my second year in MBBS, and that's when I started preparing for this examination. I did my MBBS from Davao Medical School Foundation, Philippines, and in my final year of MBBS, my family came over to visit me just before my graduation. And during that time, we went out to a beach just on a vacation, and that's when everything changed for me. I got bit by an insect, which I didn't even realize at that time. A day later, it turned out to be so bad and it got infected in a way that I needed multiple surgeries to be okay. Ever since then, I could not move. My leg was in a splint and I could not move. I underwent 3 major surgeries for the infection to be cleared out. Ever since then, I was hospitalized for a month and I was unable to move completely. My leg was up in a splint. And the thought of only having 3 months to study for the exam scared me. After I was discharged from the hospital, my family had so much belief and faith in me that I could do it no matter what. And that really encouraged me and gave me the support that I needed. I realized that having the right source is like having the right companion. Marrow guided me throughout and helped me rectify my mistakes. Marrow helped me realize and form my strategy so that I could come back and frame a timetable that would work for me to clear this exam. Throughout this process of preparing for this exam, Marrow has been vital and it was my only source for preparation. I initially took Marrow when I was in my second year, and ever since then I had watched the main videos thoroughly. But since it was a long time ago and I had to revisit it, I watched the revision videos completely. I used to study for at least 10 hours a day while preparing. The main videos helped me understand a lot of concepts. It cleared a lot of concepts for me and it gave me a strong foundation which I could build upon, and that's how it has helped me. Throughout my preparation, even for my university exams, I have used Marrow as my lectures used to be long during the day. And I used to come back and watch Marrow videos to prepare for my university exams, and it helped me excel in both my university exams and also my FMG exam. I used to solve question banks alongside watching videos, and that's really strengthened my concepts. I gave multiple grand tests while preparing for the FMG exam, and that's how it strengthened me and helped me learn and rectify my mistakes. After reviewing grand test, I used to spend 1 to 2 hours reviewing every grand test, and that's when I realized where I was making a mistake, and it really helped me to strengthen my weaker topics. Alongside watching the main videos, I made sure to solve question bank immediately so I would know how much I have understand and retained from the main videos. I gave multiple grand tests and I used to always solve custom modules to revise the questions that used to get missed. Custom modules is a great feature to revise and to solve questions if you have missed out on something. The pearls were an amazing feature as well, where you could save some topic which you have not reviewed and review it later on. That is how I used the pearls. I gave multiple mini tests both on the FMG and the NEET PG 6.5 edition to get more conceptual and more stronger knowledge on certain topics. Previous year questions also helped in giving me an idea of what kind of questions are actually expected in the exam, and it really helped me improve my performance. My initial grand test score was around 150 and 152, and later on, as I kept revising multiple times through the revision notes, my grand test score kept improving. My last grand test score that I gave on Marrow was 216, which was very close to my actual score. Along with solving the FMG PYQs, I think it's also important to solve the NEET PG and the INI-CT PYQs, as it gives an extra edge and it gives a more stronger hold, so you know more difficult level of questions that can come for the examination. After I was discharged, I made up my mind to watch the revision videos in the span of 1 month, and I made sure to revise the content at least 3 times. Revising is very important to retain all the knowledge that we have learned. I made sure to be consistent while preparing throughout the examination, and my mom and my sister were a great support to me all throughout. They never let me doubt myself, and I couldn't have done this without them. Clearing FMG is the main gateway or the entrance point to practice medicine in India. And after being abroad for 5 years and struggling there for so long, you have to work hard to give this exam, and that's the only way the 5 years of your hard work and struggle will not be wasted. So keeping that throughout in my head, I always had that in my mind while preparing, that I've struggled for 5 years and we need to make it through.
Shweta is my elder sister. As an elder sister, I've always seen her working hard, studying, and always being focused throughout her FMG journey. And she always sets her mind to something and achieves it. She is the perfect elder sister for me. She's always caring and she advises me over things that I need. We do fight a lot, but I do respect her and love her.
We have come so far from our families, stayed abroad in a different country for 5 years. It takes a lot of courage and sacrifice, and I was not ready to let that go. Being around hospitals ever since my childhood, when my dad was diagnosed with cancer, I've seen the impact that doctors have on our lives. I've always admired doctors and the responsibility that they have on their shoulders. I lost my dad to cancer when I was in my 12th grade, and that is when I made up my mind that I wanted to become a doctor. I wanted to make a difference in someone's life, and I wanted to make sure that someone else would not lose their loved one.
I'm Sweta's mother. I'm very happy and proud about the success of my daughter Sweta, as she has journeyed this exam through much difficulty, but she has achieved what she has dreamt for it. We as a family are always proud of her success. From childhood, she is always ambitious, and once she sets her mind on a goal, she pursues towards it and achieves it. We are very happy and proud of her.
To all the FMG aspirants out there, believe in yourself, work hard, and you can do it. With hard work and the right guidance, you can achieve anything. I want to thank Marrow for being my companion on this incredible journey.